Hello, neighbors. I am Ken Lane, your mountain gardener. There is a common myth floating around the central highlands of Arizona. You need a sprawling back acre to have a real garden. I am here to tell you that is just plain wrong. Whether you are working with a tiny patio in a Prescott townhouse or a narrow side yard in Dewey, your gardening potential is not measured by square footage. It is measured by your soil, your sun, and your spirit. In many ways, small space gardening is actually better for beginners. It is manageable, it is focused, and it forces you to pick the absolute all-stars of the plant world. If you want big rewards from a small footprint, let us talk about how we get it done. When you run out of horizontal space, look up. Vertical gardening is the secret weapon of the small space expert. By using trellises, wall-mounted planters, and even simple shepherd's hooks, you can double your growing area. Plus, this keeps your garden safely out of reach from pesky animals. For a stunning vertical showpiece that loves our mountain air, try a 5-leaf akebia or a honeysuckle. These climb quickly, and their fragrance will fill your entire patio on a summer evening. If you want to grow your own food, sugar snap peas or pole beans are perfect candidates for a vertical trellis. They are easy to grow and provide a heavy harvest in a tiny footprint. Down at ground level, skip those long, lonely rows. Instead, focus on intensive planting in blocks or clusters. This keeps the soil shaded, reduces evaporation, which is a must in our dry climate, and smothers weeds before they can even take hold. In small spaces, containers are your best friends. They allow you to control soil quality perfectly, which is hard to do with our native Prescott decomposed granite, which is really just fancy talk for rocks. The most common mistake I see is buying pots that are too small. Small pots dry out in a heartbeat under our intense, high-altitude sun. I recommend going for at least a 14-inch diameter for most plants. Fill those containers with a high-quality potting soil, like Waters potting soil, which is specifically designed to hold moisture while still allowing roots to breathe. Every plant in a small garden has to earn its keep. You want multi-purpose plants that look beautiful, smell great, and maybe even provide a snack. Herbs are king here. You can grow a massive amount of flavor in a single 12-inch pot. Rosemary is a champion in our region. It is drought-tolerant, evergreen, and absolutely loves our sun. Pair it with thyme and oregano for a Mediterranean mix that thrives even on a little neglect. Gardening in a small space does not mean you have to think small. It just means you have to think smart. Don't be afraid to experiment. If a pot isn't working in one corner, move it. That is the beauty of a compact garden. It is a living project that moves with you. Gardeners. Until next week, I will be here at Waters Garden Center, helping you find your own garden success. Happy gardening.